Hello everyone, so this video I'm gonna teach you on how to cook a delicious chicken a la king. All you have to do is just watch this video. Okay, napakasimple lang po ng aking ginawa dito kaya ituturo ko to sa inyo. At huwag niyo po itong palagpasin. Kaya maganda na ng garlic, butter, carrots, mushroom, chicken fillet, or any parts of the chicken. Okay, black pepper and cheese is optional, so it depends on you. Vegetable powder, knor cubes, any cubes, okay? It's either chicken, pork, or beef, so it depends on you, okay? Evaporated milk or fresh milk, okay? And then don't forget to add the traffic light vegetable, okay? Sa mga hindi nakakalam kung anong traffic light vegetable, only Kunyang knows that, okay? Kaya, i-search mo. Hindi nyo pala ito mag-google kasi only Kunyang knows nga naman yan. Okay, para naman may alam kayo at tuturuan ko kayo kung ano yung traffic light vegetables. Walang iba kundi ang bell pepper or capsicum. Okay, yun lamang po. And of course, don't forget to add chicken a la king sauce, the very important ingredients, okay? Igisa lamang po ito sa garlic and butter. Add them all together. Add some evaporated milk or fresh milk, then cover it, okay, for a minute. And then, when it's dry and cooked, sprinkle it with lemon. And then, you can season it with salt, okay? So it depends on your taste. Enjoy your meal. That's all. Bye-bye.